Hi there everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have another Blitsy haul unboxing for you. It's not a huge haul, I'm just pretty excited about it and I will show you why. Blitsy, you go to the website blitsy.com, blitsy.com. I'm not an affiliate. I am not sponsored by them, so that's my disclaimer. And I just love the company because they are really very professional. Blitsy also offers free shipping and handling once you purchase something like $29.99, kind of like Amazon. Okay, the first item that I will be showing you is this passport size traveler's notebook cover by Prima Marketing. And I'll show you the Prima Marketing Traveler's Notebook cover that I got back in December. The Prima Marketing Traveler's Notebook cover, which is the standard size. When I say the standard size, if you are into Traveler's Notebook, this is this size here. It's like the Midori style. Standard size is around 8.75 or 8.5 in length, and then when it's folded, it's around 5 inches wide. And I just want to show you also, this was my latest project. This is an A6, so this is even bigger than this item here. So let me just unbox this. So look at how pretty that is. I've been looking for a passport cover that is also a traveler's notebook cover. Now, I have assumed, probably incorrectly, that this would be kind of like my A6 so that I can just purchase the inserts. Luckily, they were also having a sale on the insert. So the cover, let me just talk about the cover first, and let me just do another size comparison here. By comparison with an A6, it is an inch shorter, like this one, about an inch shorter, a little over an inch shorter. And then on the width, it's about an inch narrower also. Now, of course, next to its older sister or mother, whatever, it's really tiny. Okay, so the width is about an inch and a quarter, probably narrower. And then on the height, actually 3 inches shorter. Yeah, 3 inches shorter. So the measurement on this one is, when folded, is 4 inch wide, and then the length is about 5 3/4, okay, inches long. And look at how beautiful the cover is. This is not simulated or fake or faux leather. This is genuine leather. And I like how the cover is, it's so nostalgic, so vintagey. I like the handwritten words here. And of course, I like the flowers, the roses here, the cabbage roses. And the color is very muted. On this one, it's $17 sale. And the original price on this one is like $27 or $26. So I got a good discount on this. I like that there's a pocket here, a secretarial pocket, as well as here at the back. Of course, this is Prima Traveler's Journal. That's the brand. And there are 4 black elastic bands here. And they are not knotted, as you can see. They do have this fastener or whatever you call this. And I like that there's a guard for the cover so that when it gets tight, as I've seen and noticed, and if you're a traveler's notebook user, if there's no guard, this one here will dent a little bit. Okay, we'll leave a mark. So with this one, it protects it from having that. So yeah, I like this a lot. And of course, this charm, all Prima Marketing Traveler's Notebook cover comes with this one, and it just says here, Prima Traveler's Journal. You know, again, for the brand. You can remove it or you can leave it. I've been leaving it, as you can see here on my standard size. I leave it, although I added this charm, and I can add another embellishment here. And I purchased this really for my passport because, you know, when we travel, I like to have something there. But I also want to have also journal. And perhaps what I'm going to do, and see, the good thing is they're having a sale on the insert as well. Because the insert on this one is a lot bigger, it will not fit exactly, as you could see. Okay, so this is my brain dump. Still gonna use this, but this one is really for traveling. So for the insert, these are the designs. Let me just show you. I purchased this. This is 3 styles. I got 3 of this and 3 of this and just 1 of this. Okay, the design on this one is Au Revoir. This other one is Note Collection, because there are different notes here. And then this one is Old Wall. Okay, because if I don't think you can notice, but it's like black bricks, you know, just by Prima Marketing. So let me just try this one to show you the quality of the pages. So this is just blank, a little thicker than the regular printer paper. Have rounded corners, which I like a lot when I make my own inserts. If you're not new to my channel, if you've been following me, you know that I do the sew method as well, just like this one. Although this one is machine sewn, I do it by hand, and then I also do corner rounding. And then this can be an insert here. Let me show you this other one, which is the 12. Same thing, 64 pages. Oh, okay, so this is not, there's no dots, there's no lines, so just plain blank. And then this other one here, it's just, again, blank paper. And then I can put them here, so let me just try to do that. Put the insert, so I'm probably going to put this on top and put them here. Oh, I like this a lot, guys. Okay, and then I'll move this to the center. I can rearrange them later on, but I just want to show you how it looks like once you've inserted. Wow, this is lovely. And then this is the other one, and I always go to the middle. Okay, and then I'll put this here. So I have one more, and to those of you who are familiar with Traveler's Notebook, you can actually add a, you know, you can do a jump connection and then add more if you want to, if you like those chunky look. I know there are a lot of TN ladies that like the chunky Traveler's Notebook. So yeah, so that's great. So I have left one more space for my passport. This is how I carry my passport. This is the middle portion where it's sewn. So I'm just going to either put it here as an insert or insert it here and then just add another dashboard, because I want it to be easily removable too when I travel, because you know, sometimes security would want you to give it to them, hand it just the passport, and they may not want my whole journal, especially if it's this thick. So I just want to be able to take it out quickly. And then the extra elastic, probably I'll create a divider or a dashboard. And then, like I said, my passport is secure here with my boarding pass. That's folded, and then that's it. Voila. Oh my gosh, I really love this a lot, you guys. So sorry if I sound so excited about this, because I really am excited. So this one I can actually manipulate it to go over this. Okay, and mind you, there is also a pen loop. So the only thing is to look for a pen that is short enough to fit here, because the standard pen will be too big. And I think I have a short one as well. Okay, so yeah, I love it a lot. Ooh, can't wait for my next trip. You can tell, right? I'm like a kid in the candy store whenever I have all this stash. Okay, by the way, this is only $1.85 each, okay? And I would buy it for a couple of dollars, but not even more. But $1.85, that's great, good quality, and I can base it on this measurement or even my passport, the size that I'm gonna make, because I can make my own insert, and I will have a tutorial on that. Again, thanks to everyone for joining me here on my channel, and I'll talk to you again on my next video. Bye bye.